A tragic incident unfolded off the coast of England when the cargo vessel MV Solong collided with the oil tanker MV Stena Immaculate, which was carrying jet fuel for the U.S. military. The crash, which occurred while the Stena Immaculate was anchored, resulted in massive fires and explosions, leaving one crew member missing and presumed dead. The captain of the Solong, a 59-year-old Russian national, has been arrested on suspicion of gross negligence manslaughter. This collision not only raised serious safety concerns, but also sparked fears of environmental damage due to fuel leakage into the sea. Reports indicate that the Solong had previously failed safety checks related to its steering, raising questions about the vessel's operational integrity. As investigations continue, the maritime community is left grappling with the implications of this disaster.